Grocery List is an application designed for Android users to simplify the process of planning and managing grocery shopping. This app helps users create and organize their shopping lists efficiently, ensuring that they don't forget essential items while shopping. The application typically features a user-friendly interface that allows users to easily add, edit, and categorize grocery items. Users can often create multiple lists for different shopping trips, making it convenient for meal planning or specific occasions. Additionally, many grocery list apps offer options to share lists with family or friends, enhancing collaboration and coordination for group shopping. Many of these applications may include features such as barcode scanning for quick item entry, inventory tracking to monitor items at home, and reminders for when certain items are running low. Some also provide recipe suggestions based on the items in the list, making meal preparation more accessible. Overall, grocery list apps serve as useful tools for those looking to streamline their shopping experience, increase efficiency, and minimize food waste by ensuring that all necessary items are thoughtfully organized and easily accessible.